Yo, YouTube, you are going to love this one. I have managed to find some brand new Driving Empire codes in 2026. These are definitely the best Roblox Driving Empire codes because you can get 10 million free money. You can get all cars unlocked as well. There's only 2 available codes, but both of these codes are absolutely awesome. And I simply know my subscribers and new viewers alike are going to love these codes for Driving Empire. Before I show you them, I am also doing a Robux giveaway. To enter, you simply have to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. You're definitely going to want to subscribe to my channel because I'm always finding new codes, not only for Driving Empire, but for other Roblox games. And you're also going to be entered into the Robux giveaway. But anyway, let's not waste any more time. Let's show you how to get these Driving Empire codes in 2026. And yeah, you just need to use your mobile internet browser. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android. It just makes the process of unlocking your codes a lot easier, and you'll see why as I progress through the steps. So use your mobile internet and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So go ahead and type it in like this, Crash Coupons. Now, what this is a game code website. Like I said, I do play loads of different Roblox games, and I use this site quite a lot to get awesome codes. And they do have a page dedicated specifically for Driving Empire. Like I said, there are only a couple of codes, but both of the codes are awesome. As I alluded to at the start of the video, you can get 10 million free money, and you can unlock all cars for free. And this works up to the date that you use the code. So as an example, if you use this code today, if there was cars released yesterday, you would still get them. So just select the code you want. I've already done this. I'm just going to select the cash code as an example. These are limited codes. You can see the cash ones, there's 703 remaining. So I won't waste a code for this tutorial. So yeah, let's just grab a code. Okay, so as you can see, it gives you a code, but it is locked. And like I said, that is because it limits 1 code per user per day. So I've already done this morning. So if I wanted to do this again, I would have to come back tomorrow. But click on get full code and you're going to need to unlock your code. It takes about 5 minutes. It is completely free. So don't panic if you see this screen here. You just need to follow the instructions. Complete 2 of the free offers below, and that is going to unlock your Crash Coupons code, and make sure you follow the instructions for each of the 2 tasks. So you're going to have a list of tasks. You may see slightly more, you may see slightly less, you may see different ones. It depends on your country and also the time of day, but they're all completely free and they're always going to be really easy. They're basically things like playing mobile games, installing apps, answering surveys. Just make sure you read the text that tells you how to complete each one. So complete 2 of them. I'm going to skip forward. Like I said, I've already done it. And it basically will send you back to this page on Crash Coupons. And your Driving Empire code will be fully revealed in the box. So this will say unlocked, and the full code will be shown. You can redeem it in Driving Empire, and that one's going to give you 10 million free money. But they do have the all cars code if you want to get the cars. So that is it, guys. Go to Crash Coupons. I am doing that Robux giveaway, so make sure you do like and subscribe. These are definitely the best Roblox Driving Empire codes in 2026, and I hope you enjoy them. Peace out.